Ndewonu ndị ọma. Greetings, my good people. I'm Yvonne Mbanefo, and welcome back to the Learn Igbo channel. In this video, we're going to learn Igbo with a mini story about a tortoise. And the title of the story is Mbe Cheraba. Tortoise is upside down. So, like I said before, we're going to learn Igbo with a mini story about a tortoise titled Mbe Cheraba. Tortoise is upside down. But before we start, we're going to look at 5 key words that we will learn from this story. And these words are Mbe, tortoise or turtle. Cheraba, upside down. Cheraba, upside down. Elu, on top of. Elu, on top of. Osisi, tree. Osisi, tree. Togaria, turn over. Togaria, turn over. Ready? Let's begin, Kaibido. Mba Cheraba. Mba Cheraba. O si n'elu osisi daa wee chee aba. O si n'elu osisi daa wee chee aba. Ọ chọghị iche aba. Ọ chọghị iche aba. Mbe agaghị aganwu ije ma ọ chee aba. Mbe agaghị aganwu ije ma ọ chee aba. Otu nwoke bịara tụgharịa mbe. Otu nwoke bịara tụgharịa mbe. Mbe kelere ya wee laa. Mbe kelere ya wee laa. So the words we've learned from this story are Mbe, tortoise or turtle. Mbe, Mbe, tortoise or turtle. Chee aba, Chee aba, upside down. So when something is upside down in Igbo, it means chee aba, n'ihe chere aba. Chee aba, upside down. Elu, on top of. Elu, on top of. Osisi, tree. Osisi, tree. Tụgharịa, turn over. Tụgharịa, turn over. So these are the words we've learnt in this story. Don't forget to go through this video until you master on how to pronounce these words. If you like this video, click the like button, and if you haven't yet done so, click the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. That's it for now, Komesia. See you soon.